So now we will discuss problem, and one important result. You are familiar with this. If ax1 comma y1 and bx2 comma y2, ax1 comma y1, bx2 comma y2, suppose point P divides line segment AB. This is A, x1 comma y1, B, x2 comma y2, points P divides line segment AB into the ratio m is to n, then coordinates of P are given by mx2 plus point P divides line segment AB from A side into the ratio m is to n, then its coordinates are given by mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. One basic important formula is this one, and another formula is the coordinate of midpoint of line segment AB, midpoint of is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So these are the two basic formulas we will use. Now first example, the vertices of triangle PQR. This is the triangle PQR with vertices P2 comma 1, Q minus 2 comma 3 and R 4 comma 5. Find the equation of median through vertices R. So from vertex R, suppose opposite sides PQ, suppose its midpoint we suppose S, then S is midpoint of line segment PQ, so its coordinates according to this formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the triangle PQR. We have taken S as a suppose median bisect the opposite side at S, then S is the midpoint of line segment PQ, then coordinates of S according to formula x1 plus x2 by 2 plus y1 plus y2 by 2 is 0 comma 2. Now we have to find equation. Find the equation of median through the vertex R. Through the vertex R, that means we have to find equation of line RS. Now we obtain coordinates of S. Coordinates of R is already given. So 2 points form ax1 comma y1, bx2 comma y2. Then equation of line AB according to 2 point form is y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. So now we use this 2 point form to find equation of line RS. Therefore equation of line RS y minus y1 upon equal to x2 minus x1. Coordinates of R will take coordinates of R 4 comma 5. So this will be x1, y1. We obtain coordinate of S 0 comma 2. So this is our x2, y2. So now we use point slope form to find equation of line RS. So y minus y1, that is 5, upon y2 minus y1, 2 minus 5, x minus x1, x minus 4, upon x2 minus x1, 0 minus 4. Now we simplify this equation. Therefore, y minus 5 upon minus 3 equal to x minus 4 upon minus 4. So minus minus plus. So y minus 5 upon 3 x minus 4 upon 4. So taking cross multiplication, 4y minus 20 equal to 3x minus 12. Further simplification will give, transfer this term. So 3x minus right hand side, so plus 20 minus 12, 8 equal to 0. So 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. This is the required equation. So again, vertices of triangle PQR are given. We have to find equation of the median through vertex R. So suppose median bisect the opposite side at S. So S is midpoint. S is midpoint of line segment PQ. So coordinate of S we obtain using coordinates of midpoint using this formula. And once we get coordinates of S, then equation of line RS using 2-point form, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, and this is the simplification. Next example is find the equation of the line passing through minus 3 comma 5 and perpendicular to the line through the points (2, 5) and minus 3, 6. So let us discuss solution. Here we have given we have to find equation of line passing through minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line through the points 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. So suppose let A 2, 5 and B minus 3, 6. Let -3 comma 5 -3 comma 5 belongs to L, line L, where L is perpendicular to line AB. So we have to find equation of line L. Check this one. We have given A2 comma 5, B -3 comma 6, B -3 comma 6. L is the line perpendicular to L. This is perpendicular to line segment AB, and this is the point, for example, -3 comma 5. So find the equation of line. L is the required line which passing through -3 comma 5 and perpendicular to line joining A and B. So from the slope of AB we can get slope of L. We know two lines are mutually perpendicular if and only if m1 into m2 equal to -1. So first we will find slope of line segment AB using y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Once we get slope of line AB, since L is perpendicular to AB, from the slope of AB we can get slope of L, and once we get slope of L, point is already given, slope we will find, and then we will use point slope form. Which is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So step 1, find slope of AB. Step 2, find slope of L using slope of AB. Two lines are mutually perpendicular if and only if m1 into m2 equal to -1. And step 3, use point slope form. So in these 3 steps we will solve the problem. So solution: let A2 comma 5 be -3 comma 6, and let point P, we give name point P, -3 comma 5. Now slope of line segment AB, or you can say line AB, by definition it is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is 6 minus 5 upon -3 minus 2. So this is 6 minus 5, so 1 by 5 minus. Now L is perpendicular to line AB, therefore slope of L must be 5. Slope of L we give reason m1 into m2 equal to -1, and therefore equation of line L is. Now slope is there, point is already given, point is given, so we will use point slope form. Point is given, slope we have obtained. Now use slope point slope form. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1, coordinates of point P as x1 comma y1, P minus 3 comma 5. So this is x1, this is y1. So y minus y1, y minus 5 equal to slope 5 x minus x1. So x1 is minus 3, so minus minus plus 3. Now we simplify, so we will get required equation y minus 5, 5x plus 15, so 5x minus y, transfer this term, plus 20, 5x minus y plus 20 equal to 0. This is the required equation. So it is easy. We have given L perpendicular to AB. So from the slope of AB we have obtained slope of L, and point is already given. So to find equation of line AB we have used point slope form. Now another example. A line perpendicular to the line joining the point points 1, 0 and 2, 3, divides it in the ratio 1:n. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of so let us discuss solution. First, see the question. We have given line segment AB, a line perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1, 0. So let A1, 0, B, we suppose 2, 3. Now suppose line PQ divide line segment AB, in the ratio 1:n, in the ratio 1:n at R. we have taken A, check this figure, A 1 comma 0, B 2 comma 3, suppose this is point P Q, so line PQ which is perpendicular to line AB, PQ perpendicular to line AB. So first we will find slope of AB. Using slope of AB we can get slope of PQ because two lines are mutually perpendicular if and only if m1 into m2 equal to -1. So first step 1, find out slope AB. Using slope of AB find out slope of PQ, and this line intersect line segment AB into point R. So coordinates of R we will find according to formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Using this formula we will find coordinates of R. Using slope of AB we will find slope of PQ. Once we get slope, then R lies on the line PQ. So point is there, slope is there, we can use point slope form to find equation of line PQ. We have to get equation of line PQ. Equation of line PQ. So in this step we will solve the problems. Step 1, find slope of line segment AB. Step 2, PQ perpendicular to AB. So using slope of AB, line segment AB, find slope of PQ. And step 3, we have given point R divides line segment AB from S into the ratio 1:n. So find coordinates of R. So slope is there, point is there. So in final step, step 4, find equation of line PQ using point slope form. So in this sequence we will solve the problem. So let us solve the problem. Let A1, 0, B2, 3, suppose PQ divides line segment AB in the ratio 1:n. So coordinates of A, x1, y1, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So now let us find coordinates of R. suppose line PQ divides line segment AB in the ratio 1:n at R. So coordinates of R using mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Using this formula, we have already discussed this formula, so we have used this formula. Now coordinates of R one into x2 plus n into x1, sorry, put value of x1 and x2, m is to n, so is 1:n. So for m we have to put 1, n equal to n, and x1 y1, x2 y2, these are the values of x1 y1. So according to mx2 plus nx1, 1 into x2, 2 plus n into x1, 1, m plus n, 1 plus n, comma m 1 into 3 plus n into y1, y1 is 0, y1 is 0, so n into 0 upon m plus n, 1 plus n. So further simplification will give n plus 2 upon n plus 1, comma 3 upon n plus 1. So coordinates of R therefore are n by 2 upon n plus 1, comma 3 upon n plus 1. So this is point. So to use point slope form, we have obtained point, Now let us find slope, then we will use point slope form. Now slope of AB, using the definition of slope y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So slope of line AB, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now consider coordinates of A as x1 comma y1. So 3 minus 0, y2 minus y1, 3 minus 0 upon x2 minus x1, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. So this is 3, slope of AB is 3. Now therefore slope of PQ should be minus 1 by 3, so that m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Two lines are mutually perpendicular if and only product of the slope should be minus 1. So once we know slope of one line, then its perpendicular line slope one can write using the formula m1 into m2 should be minus 1. Here slope is 3, so perpendicular line which is perpendicular to line AB always having slope minus 1 by 3. So this is point, sorry, slope is there, we obtain point, this is point. Now we can use point slope form. Therefore equation of line PQ using point slope form y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, y minus 3 upon n plus 1. Slope is minus 1 by 3, x minus x1. Point slope form, coordinates of r will work as x1 comma y1. So n plus 2 upon n plus 1. Now one can simplify this by taking LCM. Once you simplify this equation, as a answer you will get x into n plus 1 plus 3 into n plus 1 into y equal to n plus 11. If you simplify, you will get as a answer x into n plus 1 plus 3 into n plus 1 into y equal to n plus 1. Just first you take LCM and then you take cross multiplication. You will get required answer as x into n plus 1 plus 3 into n plus 1 into y equal to n plus 11. Now another question is, find the equation of line next example. Find the equation of line that cuts of equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passing through the point two comma 3. So now let us discuss solution. First question is, find the equation of line that cuts off equal intercept. X intercepts and y intercepts are equal. Whenever intercepts are given, we will always use intercept form x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is intercept form. So whenever intercepts are given, always use intercept form x by a plus y by b equal to 1. A is x intercept, that means line intersecting x axis into the point a comma 0. B is y intercept, so line intersecting y axis into the point 0 comma b. And here we have given x intercept and y intercepts are equal. This is given, and line passing through 2 comma 3. So using this information, that line passing through 2 comma 3, we will find values of a which is equal to b. So since intercepts are given, we will use intercept form. So equation intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Now we have to find values for a and b. Since line makes equal intercept, we have given line makes equal intercept, therefore a equal to b, therefore from 1 x by a y by b, but b equal to a equal to 1, so simplification is x plus y equal to a. Now simplified form of equation 1 is equation 2. This is equation 2. Only unknown is a. So to get equation of line, we have to find a. But line passing through 2, 3. Line passing through 2, 3. Check this figure. This is for our understanding. Line passing through point 2, 3, x intercept and y intercepts are equal. This is intercept form, x axis, y axis, x by a plus y by b equal to 1, a equal to b is given, so we have taken b equal to a, so simplification. Now line passing through 2, 3, line passing through 2, 3, so its coordinates must satisfy this equation. So take x equal to 2, y equal to 3, so we have obtained a equal to 5, so a equal to 5, and therefore substituting this value here, required equation is x plus y equal to 5. So this is the required equation. Now this is further information, this is only for your information. It may possible that line passing through origin, say if line, this is the line passing through point 2, 3, you can check passing through origin, that means passing through origin, so x intercept is 0, y intercept is 0, so both are equal. This is also a possibility. You can observe, if we denote this line L, you can observe L is the line passing through point P2, 3 and also passing through origin. So both intercepts are 0, 0. In this case we have considered x intercept not equal to 0, y intercept not equal to 0, and both are equal. But this is also a possibility. In this case, slope of OP y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So slope is 3 by 2, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus. So equation of L, if line with slope m passing through origin with slope m, then its equation is given by y equal to mx. So equation of L is y equal to mx, slope is 3 by 2 x. So 3x minus 2y equal to 0. This is also a possible solution. Here this is the line passing through 2, 3 and having x intercept is 0, y intercept is 0. So this is also a possibility, but in the solution we have considered a case in which x intercept and y intercept are non-zero and we have obtained the solution. So next time we will discuss more problems.